Alright. Alright. Now you got your vacuum off. It's this white thing right here that covered the heatsink and the disk drive. You just simply just take these two wires here, and then you don't really have to take them out. I'm not going to take them out here, but yeah, you could. And then just, jimmy it up. Well, actually, no, after you took out the cord to the fan, it's right here. The cord to the fan is right here. After you take that out, you're good to go. But now, all you want to do is take it by the CPU heatsink. That's the big one. This is the GPU heatsink, the graphics processing unit, and this is the central processing unit. Heatsink, GPU heatsink, CPU. Don't get these two mixed up. That would be the worst thing you can ever do if you're, trying to do some repairs, some stuff, something like that. But now, basically just pull. Be careful, because you can break it. And just work its way out. Don't just yank it out. And then you got it out. You can grab it by GPU. There's the back, there's the front, and all that's left, you just touch your CPU to the side, your motherboard to the side, and then all you really have is the fan. And that can just easily take your Torx, any of your Torx screwdrivers, simply just pop it out. And there you have it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out my eBay page. I have repair services up there for all you guys. Prices starting at $15 to $20 depending on your repairs. I don't fix. Actually no, I fix everything with red rings of death that pertains to overheating problems, E74 issues, and that's about it. And I might start getting into fixing PS3's yellow lights of death. And I also fix cell phones too if you need. I fix Sidekick 3, Sidekick LXs, iPhones, Blackberries, basically all those smartphones. And any mods you need done to your Xbox 360, like a casing change or something, I'm your man. Xbox_mods_repairs at ebay.com. Check me out.